Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge, and today we're looking at a 2016 Kia Rio LX. Under the hood we have a 1.6 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in white and it does look awesome, very nice. You got the Kia logo up front with the black grille on it, and you got your lights here. They are very bright as well. It all just looks very sleek and very nice. Around the side here we do have 15-inch rims. They're a little frozen over right now because it's cold outside, and we do got lots of tread left on those tires as well. It does come with heated exterior mirrors in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. They look great, and they'll get you going a little bit quicker in the mornings. If it is chilly outside like it is today, the heated mirrors are very nice. Now I did just press the button on the keys to open up the trunk here, but we do have the Rio logo back here, the Kia logo, and the GDI logo. Now there is quite a bit of storage back here as well. You get lots of room. It is very soft, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here. So we got one press to lock it. We got a two press to unlock all the doors, and then you got that one to hold to open up the trunk. And then you do have your panic button down there as well. Let's unlock and let's jump on in. The button there just to take out the key, so you can do that. And then on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out here, as well as a bit of that silver accenting here in your lock handle here, and some more storage just down there. And then over here we do have our eco mode, and then we have our light controls here for our interior lights. And then you also have your traction control right there. And this guy is the controls of your low beams and your daytime running lights, as well as the off and the turning signals and the high beam. Okay, we got our keys here, so let's turn it on. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer. It's telling us that it's cold outside. We have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. We got the temperature outside, what gear we're in, and how many kilometers it's been. You can change that, guys. So you got the temperature. You also have your trip, A and B. You have your range. Then you have your AVG, average gallons. And then you have your AVG again. And then you also have your ET. And then back to your temperature outside. Now you also on your steering wheel here have your volume up and down. Then you have this selector here to change the channel or whatnot, or the song. And then you have your mode and your mute. You got your horn in the middle, and on the other side you have your voice command. Then you have your cruise control options. Then you also have your call out and your hang up button. And then you have your trip and your reset. And then this guy is the control over your windshield wipers. And then in the center here you do have your radio. So it does come with a CD player, and that one's the eject and the display. Then you got your radio. You have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. You can select them all through there. You also have your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB or through aux cord or through Bluetooth. Then you have your phone if you have one hooked up. Then you also have your seek options up and down. Your scan, your setup, your clock, your menu, and then your folder, as well as you have your presets down here, your volume up and your power off, and then your enter and your browser there. And then down here we do have our climate control, so we have the power up and down, we have where it's going to blow out of, and we have our AC as well as our heat. And then you have your AC on and off. Let's turn that off. Then we have your rear defrost, and then you have your circulation there. And then down here we do have some plugins, as well as a aux cord and USB plug-in. And then your gear shift here, just like that, of course. And then you have your parking brake here with a little bit of storage, some cup holders, and some more storage right there. And then over here we do have our glove box. It's a very deep glove box, lots and lots of room in there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got that same silver accenting. Got a handle here and some water bottle down here. And you got a lot of room back here as well. Very soft, very nice feel to it. And what you can do is you can also, oh, it's very bright, but you can pull this little tab here and, oops, sorry, and fold this down just like this, and then you got even more room for your storage in the back, or you can get to things back there. And there's our engine all looking nice in there as well. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Kia Rio LX. If you want to come and take a closer look or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.